Hello Samsung fans and welcome to SammyFans. The Galaxy Watch 4 is Samsung's latest smartwatch lineup that runs the new and unified operating system called One UI Watch on top of Google's Wear OS 3. Thanks to the new OS, as consumer can now seamlessly access official as well as third-party applications directly from Google Play Store. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to set up Google Pay on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 or Watch 4 Classic. So for this, open Google Play Store on your Galaxy Watch 4 and then hit the search button and speak or type Google Pay. After searching, hit the second button, then tap on Google Pay, then tap on Install, and then you can open the app. If you already have Google Pay set up on your phone, your card will be automatically imported and you are done. If you need to enter a card manually, tap the plus icon. If you are already using Google Pay on your smartphone, then you don't need to do any further operation. Just start paying directly from your wrist through Google Pay. Switch to your phone, then tap on Add a new card, then tap on Enter details manually. Then enter your card info and tap on Save. If your bank asks, verify your identity with a two-factor code. Then tap on Done. So this is our today's video. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then hit the like button, share your thought in the comment section, and don't forget to share and subscribe. For more information, visit SammyFans.